This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Charles Woolley. Lovely 3-bedroom 2.5 bath townhome in Casselberry. Home just got recently renovated. New air conditioner was just installed as well as full plumbing repipe. This 2-story townhome is located right by the community pool and has dedicated parking as well as open parking. Newer appliances and ceramic tile and laminate flooring. No carpet except for the stairwell. Nice new kitchen with granite tops and stainless steel appliances including stackable washer and dryer. 3 bedrooms upstairs and window coverings on all windows. Check out the beautiful turf, no grass, rear fenced yard area for easy maintenance. Great for sitting in the evenings. Also includes a storage closet as well as a screened porch. Hurry before this one is gone. Pet friendly. For more information, review the details below or contact Charles Woolley at 954-693-0100.